Hi students, welcome to my channel. Now I am going to explain 7th class 4th chapter lines and angles 4.3 exercise. First problem. Name 3 pairs of vertically opposite angles in the figure. If angle AOB it is equal to 45 degrees, then find angle DOE. So first find out from this figure 3 pairs of vertically opposite angles. 3 pairs of vertically opposite angles are, so observe the figure, angle AOB, vertical opposite angle is angle DOE. So this is one pair, angle AOB, comma, angle DOE. These are vertical opposite angles. So next second pair, angle BOC, vertical opposite angle is angle FOE. So angle BOC, vertical opposite angle is angle FOE. These two are another pair. So next third pair of vertical opposite angle is angle COD, vertical opposite angle is angle AOF. So angle COD, vertical opposite angle is angle AOF. So these three are vertical opposite angles. So in the problem is given angle AOB it is equal to 45, then find angle DOE. Now observe angle AOB and DOE are vertical opposite angles. So angle AOB and angle DOE are vertically opposite angles. Then angle AOB that is equal to angle DOE. So angle AOB is given 45 degrees. So angle AOB it is equal to 45 degrees. Then angle DOE it is also equal to 45 degrees. So this is solution for first problem. Next problem, second one. In the given figure, PQ is a straight line. Check whether X and Y are vertically opposite angles or not. Give reason. So vertically opposite angles are found by two straight lines. So observe, this is the angle X, this is the angle Y. So PQ is a straight line, but SOR it is not a straight line. So X and Y are not a vertically opposite angles. X and Y are not vertically opposite angles. So PQ is a straight line, but SOR it is not a straight line. Problem third one. Write any 3 examples for vertically opposite angles in your surroundings. The examples for the vertically opposite angles are crossroads, scissors, crossbars in window. Next problem, fourth one. In the given figure, the lines L and M intersect at point P. Observe the figure and find the values of X, Y and Z. We know that vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. So from the figure, angle Y it is equal to 20 degrees. So because of they are vertically opposite angles. And also the vertically opposite angle of X it is equal to Z. So X it is equal to Z. Now observe the figure. The line M it is a straight line. The 20 degrees and the angle Z it forms a straight angle. So 20 degrees plus Z it is equal to 180 degrees. So because the straight angle. So from this find out the z value. So z it is equal to 180 degrees plus 20, it is moving to right side, minus 20. So z it is equal to 160 degrees. So we know that already x equal to z. So x it is also equal to 160 degrees. So in the problem they are asking the values of x, y and z. So x, y, z are 160 degrees, 20 degrees, 160 degrees. So this is solution for fourth problem. Next problem, fifth one. In the given figure, two lines AD and EC intersect at O. Name the two pairs of vertically opposite angles in the given figure. So this is given figure. So in this figure the vertical opposite angles are, from figure, vertically opposite angles are. So in this figure the line AD and the line CE are two straight lines. Now angle AOE, vertical opposite angle is angle COD. Angle AOE, angle COD. These two are one pair of vertical opposite angles. Next, second pair, angle AOC, vertical opposite angle is angle DOE. Angle AOC, angle DOE. So these are two pairs in vertically opposite angles in this figure. So this is solution for fifth problem. Next problem, sixth one. Two lines PS and QT intersect at M. Observe the figure and find X. So observe the figure. So in this, the line PS and the line QT, these two are straight lines. So find the vertical opposite angles here. Angle QMS, vertically opposite angle is angle PMT. So write that from figure angle QMS it is equal to angle PMT. So why? Because these two are vertically opposite angles. So vertically opposite angles are equal. So angle QMS it is equal to 40 plus X. So 40 degrees plus X it is equal to angle PMT it is equal to 105 degrees. 105 degrees. So from this simple equation find X value. So X it is equal to 105 plus 40 degrees, it is moving to right side, minus 40 degrees. So 105 minus 40 subtract, you will get 65 degrees. So finally the X value it is equal to 65 degrees. So this is solution for sixth problem. Okay students, this is about 4.3 exercise. Thanks for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe my channel.